Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own propane. However, it's crucial to understand that attempting to produce propane at home is incredibly dangerous and not recommended. The process requires highly specialized industrial equipment and expertise, which are simply not available for safe home use. Handling highly flammable gases without proper controls poses extreme risks of fire and explosion, endangering lives and property. Commercially, propane is primarily a byproduct of natural gas processing and crude oil refining. It's separated from other hydrocarbons through complex distillation and purification processes. Achieving the correct high pressures and specific temperatures is absolutely crucial for liquefying the gas safely. These industrial facilities are designed with extensive safety measures to handle and store propane, ensuring its stability and purity for consumer use. The severe risks associated with trying to make propane at home cannot be overstated. Uncontrolled chemical reactions can lead to catastrophic explosions, causing severe burns, permanent injury, or even fatalities. Furthermore, storing any homemade propane would violate numerous safety codes and potentially void your insurance. Commercial propane tanks are engineered and regulated for safe transport and use, a level of safety impossible to replicate at home. For your safety and peace of mind, always purchase certified propane from reputable suppliers and retailers. Ensure you use only approved, inspected propane tanks that meet industry standards for your appliances. It's essential to follow all manufacturer safety guidelines for connecting and operating any propane-powered devices. Never attempt to refill disposable cylinders or modify any propane equipment yourself, as this can be incredibly dangerous.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.